Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sadia and you're watching Sadia's Quiet Rise. I hope you are doing well and enjoying your summer vacations. In today's vlog, I'll be sharing my Sunday vlog. Basically, how our typical Sunday looks like for me. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, first things first, I completed all the basic stuff, cleaned my room, took a shower and got fresh for the day. And around 12:50 pm, I finally sat down to study. As most of you know, I am doing the 30-day study challenge given by Creative Learning, and today was day 5. A quick disclaimer, I haven't studied properly in the last 2 days because of the festival and especially yesterday, means Saturday. So my day 4 was basically a flop, no planning, nothing. So for today, I started by making my to-do list and here's what I had planned for the day. I started with Physics Chapter 2, Human and the Colorful World. And yes, अभी भी लाइट चैप्टर से मेरे कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स रह रहे हैं, कुछ डायग्राम्स भी रह रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. That I'll do later. And to study this Human Eye chapter, I watched रक्षक सर lectures and total 3 lectures थे and एक lecture तो 2 घंटे का भी था. But I began with the first lecture and मैं side by side notes भी ले रही थी which took me a solid hour. After that, it was time for lunch, so I wrapped up and had my lunch. And here's what I had. Then I took some rest and had an ice cream and just chilled for a while. Honestly, today's Sunday was really Sunday. Now I got back to studying physics around 4 pm because I still had to do 2 more lectures to go. And guys, I literally studied physics for more than 2 hours and I was shocked but proud too. I genuinely enjoyed it and अब बस उसमें questions practice करने के लिए रह रहे हैं, NCERT भी और extra questions भी. So I'll finish them later. And here's how my notes turned out. Now another task ticked off. Then I took a break and suddenly, a surprise, my family randomly decided to go out and I thought we'd be back in 1-2 hours. But no. We left around 7:30 pm and went to Pacific Mall, which was actually amazing and we explored a lot. And here's a quick fit check. I also went to Mr. DIY and bought some stuff and I will upload a haul video soon, so stay tuned. Then we visited a playland that was in front of the Pacific Mall that was only for 2 to 5 years age group. So my little brother enjoyed there and we returned home around 11:30 pm. And yes guys, I did lose about 4 hours but it was worth it. I loved spending time with my family. I changed, had dinner and got back to study mode again. I started with maths and today's goal was to finish the chapter पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन एंड 2 वेरिएबल्स. आई नो गाइस, मैं चैप्टर को बहुत दिन से करते आ रही हूँ बट ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा. एक्चुअली आई वांटेड कि मैं इसके इतने क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लूँ सो दैट आगे मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. सो आई डिड दैट and I had already watched the lectures, just had to solve NCERT question. तो मैंने वो 45 मिनट्स राउंड के लिए किया था. And finally ticked that off the list too. And also I officially crossed day 5 of the challenge. And also guys, if you haven't followed me on the Instagram yet, do check it out. I post study updates and challenges progress there. Now I worked on my SST holiday homework project ideas, as only 20 days are left for my summer vacation and I haven't even started yet. So I brainstormed and jotted down a few points. By then it was already 1:15 AM and I was pretty exhausted, so I wrapped up for the day. I know I didn't complete everything I planned for the day, but that's okay. I'll catch up tomorrow. No pressure, just progress. I hope you liked today's video. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.